Hey, welcome to our channel, guys. If it's the first time you're here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. You won't miss any. Just hit that bell and the subscribe button. So today we're going to be doing a simple recipe, snack, and it's cassava chips. So all we need for this recipe, guys, is our cassava and some salt, and that's about it. It couldn't get easier than that. And of course a slicer, which is going to make this work way easier for you. And cassava chips, just like plantain chips and the other chips, is a favorite snack in Guyana. So we're going to be doing that today. So let's get started, guys. So up to these days, you can still get cassava chip on those little roadside stands. Cassava chip and plantain chip with mango sour. Those things are still around. If you left Guyana a long time, you can still go get those things in the villages, sometimes on the roadside. Okay guys, so it's time to slice. And if you have one of these slicers and you're using this, be very careful. They're very sharp. So if you notice, we peel up the cassava lengthways. We just put a light mark on it to get the beginning of the skin out, because you want your chips to be round without a slit in it. And if you've never done cassava before, this is tougher than plantain, so it's not going to be easy as plantain to chip. Okay guys, so our cassava is all chipped, sliced, and we're going to begin frying. Okay guys, so we're adding our cassava. Soon snack is going to be ready. So these are simple snacks you can make, guys. Doesn't take a lot of time. Something to munch on. Okay guys, so these look like they're done. This didn't take very long. Okay guys, so while this is hot, you want to sprinkle your salt. So that's it for this recipe, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.